주말을 맞아 신나게 다툰 한 부부.
Okay.
이에 여성은 화가 나 집을 나섰고 그 모습을 바라보던 남편. 그런데 그때 차와 함께 폭발해버린 여성. 그 소식은 마약 밀매 현장에서 잠복 근무 중인 한 형사에게 전해집니다.
Hey, Casey, what's up? What are you talking about? She got blown up. We'll talk tomorrow.
Somebody got blown up?
Let's do it.
그리고 마약 카르텔의 수장을 잡기 위해 직접 거래에 나선 두 형사.
How you guys doing?
Thank you for coming. Danny, why don't you stay with Studs for a minute? I need to talk to Charlie.
그때 형사 찰리를 데려가는 드리스콜. 주인공 데니만 남게 되는데 그때
Police, don't you move!
결국 총격전이 벌어지고
What the fuck happened? Let's go. He made us.
하지만 죽은 건 다름 아닌 형사.
It's a cop.
그리고 찰리는 죽고 총에 맞아버린 데니. 하지만 드리스콜은 얼마 못 가 붙잡힙니다. 결국 경찰을 살해한 죄로 3년을 복역한 데니. 드리스콜이 붙잡힌 후 두 사람에게 돈을 줬다고 거짓 진술하였죠. 그의 출소를 반기는 아버지의 친구이자 데니의 멘토 지미.
One time, believe it or not, there used to be a whole amusement park here where I met your old man. I used to have a little business selling bait. So I took his advice and I moved my stand downriver. I made more money with that stand. God knows where I end up, maybe dead. I don't think Charlie was painted bent. I think he was bent. I think Driscoll sat in the courtroom and you got greedy and you pressed him for more money.
You really believe that, Jimmy?
Charlie did and he kept your end. You know they took her joint away?
사건 이후 그의 여자친구 가게까지 빼앗았던 조직.
She's working as a waitress. Go find her and make a life for yourselves.
When's Driscoll up for parole?
Hey, that's not the move.
Jimmy, I killed Driscoll's brother. He's not the kind of guy to forget.
하지만 데니는 복수할 계획입니다.
6th of April.
6th of April?
If you go and kill this guy, that's exactly where you're gonna be. But fuck, it's time to move on.
지미의 설득에도 데니는 자신에게 누명을 씌운 드리스콜의 출소를 기다립니다. 다음 날 자신이 연락을 끊었던 여자친구를 찾은 데니.
Hello?
It's me.
Danny,
I'm sorry they took your place, okay?
I'm doing all right. I would have waited forever. I just want to know why. Don't call again, Danny.
케이트는 이미 데니를 잊고 지낸 지 오래였죠. 한편 경찰을 살해했다는 이유로 출소 이후에도 질타를 받는 데니.
Assume the position, shithead.
Do something wrong?
The cop killers.
데니는 드리스콜이 출소하기만을 기다립니다.
Hey, Casey, what's up?
Casey, this is Gallagher.
그리고 찰리의 마지막 통화 상대를 찾은 데니.
She's having a problem with her husband. Found out he was hiding money. She thought that if she could find out who he was stealing it from, she could use it against him. That's her husband, Bill. Bill Pierce.
So Charlie was tracking Pierce.
Pierce's car, man, it blew up.
You told him about Pierce?
1,000 times. It's fucking horse shit.
You ever work with Lenny Driscoll?
Think Pierce had something to do with what happened to you and Charlie that night?
Him or you?
People up unless I have to. And I don't kill people.
What about Pierce?
He's an accountant for the government, Treasury Department.
찰리의 사건과 어쩌면 연관이 있을지도 모른다고 생각한 데니는 피어스에 대해 조사합니다.
Hey, buddy.
같이 이야기하는 사람에 대해 묻는 데니.
Oh, that's Mr. Loach.
Treasury Department.
Nah, Treasury's across the street.
하지만 피어스가 일하는 곳은 재무부가 아니었고 데니는 뭔가 의심쩍은 글을 미행하였죠. 그리고 한 성당에 들어가는 피어스.
Of his sins has sunk the lost question. For the wages of sin is death.
그때 신부와 어떤 신호를 주고받는 피어스. 데니는 그의 일거수일투족을 감시하였죠. 드리스콜의 출소가 4일 앞으로 다가오고 차와 함께 폭발한 제니퍼의 지인을 찾은 데니.
Yeah?
I'm investigating the death of Jennifer Pierce.
This was Jennifer's portrait of Marcy. That's Jennifer with Marcy.
데니는 제니퍼의 애인 마시라는 여성에 대해 알게 되고
Oh, stop.
그녀의 차량 번호를 입수한 데니.
Go. Got it. Lots of red flag usually means government issue.
옛 동료를 통해 마시가 정부 기관 소속의 여성인 걸 알게 되었죠. 그리고 마시를 미행하는데 데니는 그녀와 대면합니다.
Hello, Marcy.
Actually, it's Rebecca.
What's it got to do with Pierce?
Why are you tracking Bill Pierce?
That's my business.
You're interfering with a major investigation having to do with nationals. Back off. I will force you to back off. You sticking your nose into this is only gonna make things worse. This is who I work for. My cell is on the card if you have any questions.
그녀는 데니의 행적에 대해 다 알고 있었죠.
Professional.
데니의 차에 추적기를 설치했던 레베카. 집으로 돌아온 데니는 괴한의 습격을 받게 되는데 그의 사건을 조사하는 옛 동료 경찰 슈만. 하지만 별 소득이 없자 데니는 지미에게 도움을 요청합니다.
I need a favor.
We have a lead on what happened that night with Driscoll. 3 years ago, a woman named Jennifer Pierce.
Meet me at the Anaconda 1 o'clock. You're buying.
제니퍼 사건에 대한 정보를 요청한 데니.
What you wanted on the car bombing? It's an ongoing investigation. Somebody shut down access.
Any idea who?
There's somebody high up.
Charlie was working something on a guy named Pierce. I think that's why Driscoll killed him.
Do you have any idea what kind of money Charlie was into the Shylocks in this? 42.5 to 3 different shies in this town. That's the kind of money that gets you bent. And make a life for yourself.
정보를 넘겨받은 데니는 집으로 돌아오고 그때 데니의 집을 찾은 제니퍼의 오빠 케이시.
Casey,
Wondering how it's going?
Pierce doesn't work for the Treasury. Do you have any idea why Pierce goes to a church all the way over?
He's an atheist.
매제 피어스에 대해 잘못 알고 있던 케이시. 데니는 정보를 얻기 위해 성당을 다시 찾습니다.
Hey, buddy. You got a minute?
그리고 무언가를 받은 신부님에 대해 묻는 데니.
Father Bailey is the best.
Where was he traveling?
Middle East, the United Nations World.
그때 갑자기 공격당하는 데니. 데니는 레베카에게 연락하였죠.
You keep trying to kill me. It's getting annoying.
I can't help you.
Bill Pierce to a church so far outside his parish. He's delivering envelopes to a priest who travels to the Middle East every couple of weeks.
Not on the phone. I will meet you.
그리고 직접 만나서 이야기하자는 레베카.
What does Pierce do for the Department of Fiscal Oversight?
Between certain countries that might pose a threat to us. And Monsignor is passing them along. We're after who he's working with.
Who killed Jennifer Pierce?
Iranians, the materials from the Ukraine and Russia.
Who tried to kill me today?
The agency.
Why'd you agree to meet today?
Convince you to back off.
한편 화재 사고로 인해 신부가 죽게 되고
Was the only person to die in the fire.
사건 현장을 조사하던 톰 로치. 신부를 죽인 건 톰이 아니었죠. 사건에 대해 듣게 된 레베카는 데니의 집을 찾았고
Find out who Pierce was working with at the agency. Tom Loach.
The hell did you do that for?
Pierce is next. And you, I thought you should know.
레베카를 믿지 못했던 데니는 직접 알아보는데
What's up, G?
Hey, Dougie, how you doing?
You back on the job?
Here's a list of materials. Know where they came from, whether they're foreign or domestic.
There's a guy, mad genius with explosives. And I remember Bernadette.
옛 동료에게서 정보를 얻게 된 데니. 그가 알려준 대로 폭발물 전문가의 집을 찾습니다. 그리고 그때
That info could have been made anywhere. Explodes are going to be elements of the release. They're called taggants. Wait a minute, here's something. Check out the initiator. And these colors here, what we're looking at, Come from one place and one place only. Wait, at Glen.
You sure?
You asking me if I know my shit?
역시 해외에서 만들어졌다는 레베카의 말은 거짓이었죠. 그리고 톰 로치에게 직접 찾아간 데니.
Hey, buddy, you got a light? Jack Bagby, up on 9. Tom Loach. Thanks, pal.
하지만 그는 데니를 모르는 듯 보입니다.
Yeah?
I found a ticket for long-term parking.
Jennifer Pierce's car. Where is it?
The terminal by the old pier.
I'll meet you there.
레베카의 정보를 전달받은 데니.
Casey, Gallagher.
Need you to call a cop named Schumann.
레베카를 만나기 위해 부두로 향하는데 그때 데니의 목숨을 노리던 피어스.
Where is he? Okay. I said hello to Tom Loach. He had no idea what I looked like.
You're stealing him on your own. Rebecca's protecting you, right? He's investigating you and probably her. He found out about the Monsignor. That's why you killed him, right? Right? Yes! Yes! Who killed your wife? She did. Rebecca! Loach knows I know!
결국 모든 돈을 가로채기 위해 사건을 꾸몄던 레베카.
Always about the money. There's a lot of it. At the trunk of Jennifer's car.
What do we do with him?
He's gone. It's only us. Make them pay for what they did to you.
데니를 꼬시기 시작하는데
Tell me that we can do this.
Then we can go before they get here.
For who gets here?
That's them now.
그렇게 혼자서 사건을 수사했던 데니는 경찰들도 풀지 못했던 차량 폭발 사건의 범인을 밝혀내었죠.
Is he out? Turns out Driscoll had nothing to do with that woman getting blown up.
Meet me at the Anaconda.
그리고 찰리의 죽음과 관련하여 모든 사실을 알게 된 데니.
42.5, Jimmy.
Yeah, I know.
Charlie never told anybody how much he lost, not even me. The only way you knew is because Driscoll told you.
Driscoll only.
I just told him to turn down the buy. Said he tried to turn Charlie. He wasn't banked.
I need the address, Jimmy.
And then what, you're gonna go kill Driscoll?
You're the closest thing I had to a father.
Ah, fuck. You gotta give up what you most love in the world. That's the thing that's gonna kill you.
데니는 찰리의 복수를 위해 드리스콜의 주소를 요청하였죠.
Here's your goddamn address.
데니의 고집에 결국 주소를 넘기는 지미. 데니는 주소지에 도착하고 그때 드리스콜의 집을 찾은 지미.
Jimmy, welcome. You like fish, Jimmy?
You got a beer?
In the fridge.
그때 드리스콜에게 복수한 건 다름 아닌 짐이었고 데니에게 다른 집의 주소를 알려줬던 짐이.
You gave me the wrong address.
Jimmy, I gave you another day.
그리고 지미는 결국 최후를 맞이하였죠. 지미가 데니에게 알려준 주소는 다름 아닌 케이트의 집. 데니의 행복을 원했던 지미의 마지막 선물을 뒤로 영화는 끝이 납니다. 2018년도에 개봉한 바비 머레스코 감독의 범죄 액션 스릴러 영화로 살짝 B급 감성이 없진 않지만 캡틴 아메리카 제작진이 만든 웰메이드 범죄 액션 영화 벤트 마약의 도시 추천드리며 저는 또 다음 영화로 찾아뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다.
당신.